And I wrote this song. It's about living on the North Shore in the winter time from the perspective of a snorkeler. And so this song is called Winter Swell Blues. Because when the winter swell comes, I got the blues. Nah. There's an invitational surfing competition, and Eddie Aikau, actually, he passed away when he set sail on the Hokulea. There was they were trying to sail to Tahiti in the 80s. I forget the exact year. But the boat, there was a big storm, and the boat capsized. And the crew were stranded. Like, there's no way to flip a double hull canoe like that. It's just impossible. It's too big. And so Eddie Aikau volunteered to. He was a really great surfer, and he surfed at Waimea Bay. That's where his he was a lifeguard, and he was there. Waimea Bay is down the hill from my house, and the waves can get up to 40 feet. And there's a surfing competition. It's called the Eddie Aikau Invitational Surfing Competition. And you can only be invited to this, and they only hold it if the waves are 40 plus feet for 8 consecutive hours. So it could be 40 feet in the middle of the night, and then by the morning it'll be 30 feet. It doesn't count, you can't hold the contest. And anyway, so I live on the North Shore, and you can hear the rumble of the waves in the distance when the waves are that big. And it's just so powerful. It attracts people from all over the world just to come see the waves, at that size and that height. And when I wrote this song, I thought about all those things. And so I hope you guys like it. It's called Winter Swell Blues. Mid-November as I lay down my head, rumble in the distance, and tomorrow I'll be sad, yeah. Too big for me and all the life that I'm living. Stick it to the sand, still alive up there. And I know just what to do. Relax, enjoy the view. 12 feet high starts the winter's all blue. Opening up the river, you know what that means. Rainbows and waterfalls, the mountains so green. I love the rain and when that cold wind blows. Candlelight power up, time to snuggle. I know just what to do. Chicken papaya soup, 20 feet rising, the winter's all blue.